everyone and welcome to today's video. In today's video guys, I'm going to walk you through how you can easily solve some logarithmic equation. So we have some questions right here we want to simply go through. We have this question here that says simplify log 2 of 8. Now all you want to do, the first thing guys, is to simply rewrite 8 as the power of 2 since the base here is 2. So we want to simply rewrite 8 as the power of 2. So we can easily rewrite 8 to be 2 raised to the power of 3. So once we do that, we can easily rewrite this question to be log 2 of 2 raised to the power of 3. Now applying the properties of logarithm, this is going to become 3 log 2 of 2. Now in the previous video about introduction to logarithm, I talked about a property of logarithm that states that the logarithm of the base to itself is always 1. So this is log 2 of 2. So this is same thing as 3 times, and the logarithm of the base to itself is always 1. So 3 times 1 is going to give us 3. So that is the answer to this question. Now right here we have this question here that says if log 5 of x is equals to 3, we have to look for x. Now all we want to do right here, by simply applying the properties of logarithm, this can be written as log 5x equals to 3 can be written as the base, which is 5, raised to the power of the exponent. Okay, if you simply click onto introduction to logarithm, you are going to find out this properties right there. So this is same thing as x is equals to 5 times 5 times 5, and x is equals to 125. So this is the answer. So let's take a look at the next example. So right here we have this question that says solve for x, log 2 into x minus 1 is equals to 3. So the first thing guys we want to do is to simply convert from logarithmic form to exponential form. Now by doing this right here, this implies that log 2 into x minus 1 equals to 3 can be written as in exponential form as x minus 1 is equals to the base, which is 2, raised to the power of the exponent, which is 3. So this is how this can be written as, and x minus 1 is equals to 2 raised to the power of 3 is going to give us 8. Now simply solve for x. We have x is equals to 8 plus 1 and x is equals to 9. So this becomes the answer. So we have this question here that says simplify 2 log 3 9 minus log 3 into 27. So all we want to do to the first equation, we want to simply apply the power rule or the power law. So applying the power law to the first equation, so we have this to be 2 log 3 9, and 9 can be written as 2 log 3 into 3 raised to the power of 2. Now this is how we can write 9 3 square. Now doing this is going to become, applying the power law, this is going to become 2 times 2 log 3 of 3. And this is going to give us 2 times 2, 4 log 3 of 3. That is the logarithm of the base is always 1, which is equals to 4. Simplifying the second term right there, so simplify the second. So to simplify the second, we have it to be log 3 of 27, and 27 can be written as a power of 3, and this is going to become log 3 of 3 raised to the power of 3. Now applying the power law to the second, this is going to become 3 log 3 of 3, which is the same thing as 3 times logarithm of the same base to itself is always 1. So 3 times 1 is equals to 3. So we have this right here. So simplifying this right here, we know that 2 log 3 9 is equals to 4. So therefore we have this to be 4 minus, and log 3 of 27 is equals to 3. So 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. So this becomes the answer. Alright, so we have this question here that says solve for x, log 3x plus log 3 into x plus 2 is equals to 2. So guys, what do? So the first thing guys you want to do right here is to simply apply the product law. So let's simply apply the product law. If you apply the product law, this is going to become log 3. Since they have the same base, so log 3 into the product law says x into x plus 2 is equals to 2. This is going to become log 3 into x times x squared. X plus times plus 2 is going to give us 2x, which is equals to 2. Alright, now convert this to exponential form. Convert to exponential form. Now converting to exponential form, this is going to be x squared plus 2x is equals to the base right here is 3 or square, which the exponents become the power. Okay, so this is going to become x squared plus 2x is equals to 9. Now simply rearrange the equation. If you rearrange the equation, this becomes x squared plus 2x. If this comes here, it becomes minus 9 is equals to 0. So the next thing you want to do is to simply solve using the quadratic formula. So solve using the quadratic formula. And the quadratic formula states that x is equals to minus b plus minus the root of b squared minus 4ac all into 2a. Here from our equation, a is equals to 1, which is a square, plus then b is equals to 2 and c is equals to minus 9 from our quadratic equation. So right here we have x is equals to b is 2, so minus 2 plus minus the root of b square is 2, so this becomes 2 square minus 4 into our a is 1 and our c is minus 9. Okay, all into 2 into 1, which is 8. So x is equals to minus 2 plus minus the square root of 2 times 2 square is 4. Minus 4 times 1 times minus 9 is going to give us plus 36 over 2. So x is equals to minus 2 plus minus 4 plus 36 is going to give us 40 over 2. Alright, now the root of 40 is going to give us minus 2 plus minus 2 root 10 over 2. So divide through by 2. So dividing through by 2, we have x is equals to minus 1 plus minus root 10. Okay, so this is our answer. So we have this right here. Now we already know that x is equals to minus 1 plus minus the root of 10. Now since from our question log 3x is only defined for positive x, is only defined for positive x, then from this we know that x is equals to minus 1 plus the root of 10, or x is equals to minus 1 minus the root of 10. But since log 3x is only defined for a positive x, then we only take the positive answer. So x is equals to minus 1 plus the root of 10. And this becomes our final answer. And lastly, we have this question here that says if we should simplify log 6 of 36 minus log 6 of 6. Now right here, the first thing we can do is to apply the quotient law, or the quotient rule or law, you can call this. So this becomes log 6, they're having the same base, into 36 over 6. So we have log 6 into 36 divided 6 is going to give us 6. Now simplify the logarithmic expression. So you want to simplify the logarithmic expression, and this is going to become log 6 of 6. Now remember, the logarithm of a base to itself is equals to 1. So therefore, this is our answer right here is 1. So guys, this is how you can easily solve some logarithmic equation. And guys, if you do have any question, please do not forget to leave the question below in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'm going to see you in the next video.